Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. I am really excited to show you this project today. It is a super simple, easy spring dollar store DIY. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, well, this is a project I hope to have wrapped up in the next couple of days. It is the very last part of my master bedroom makeover. As most of you know, I am getting ready to put the house on the market and tying up some loose ends, and I am pretty excited for this project. It's one that's been kind of hanging around my head, 75% done, for longer than I'm willing to admit. How about that? So I hope to have this done in the next couple of days so I can show you guys the reveal. In the meantime, why don't we look at what we're making today? If that sounds like your kind of video and you love lots of budget-friendly design and decor, then hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss a video. So, what are we working with today? I actually have 9 of these plastic tiles from Dollarama. We bought them to build a headboard for Izzy's room, and well, we never quite got around to it. So, I'm gonna try and clean up the paint job she started on it. I'm gonna add this wreath form after I've painted this tile in my country gray from Rust-Oleum Chalked. I have a whole bunch of stuff here, some from Michael's, most of them from the dollar store, and we are gonna make a super simple wreath on a tile. Here we go. I started out with a small brush and quickly switched to my pointed Stylmeister brush because I figured it was going to get down in the crevices a lot better. Boy, was I wrong. Oh my goodness. All right, it was great seeing you guys today here at Lisa and Company, but this is going to take me the rest of my natural life to finish painting. So yeah, we'll see you maybe when this whole quarantine thing's over. I am going to have to eat my words on what a terrible job Izzy did painting this. These things are awful, but I've started, so we have to get it done. Onwards, folks, onwards. Okay, let's talk tiles and paint. That took way longer than I expected, and really in terms of return on investment, well, I mean, at least I got to sit down and watch a few episodes of YouTube. However, I still want to make this headboard. I have enough of the tiles to do it because we bought a few extras, and I got to figure a better way to do this in future. So I'm pretty sure the brush isn't going to happen. I'm gonna try one with spray paint and see if that makes it a lot easier. Tell me down in the comments if you have any ideas or if you've painted something this intricate and complicated and time-consuming and frustrating. All right, let's keep going and get this project done. Well, this should definitely be more fun. I am going to take apart some of these greenery stems, and I don't want to glue anything in here if I can avoid it. I love these pieces. This doesn't have a name on it, so I can't even tell you, but I love this sort of silvery but bright green finish on this foliage. Just love it. So I'm going to go around and sort of put that on the outside, and then I'm going to use this, I don't know what to call it. It's from Dollarama. It's these little tiny, almost foam beads, and the rest of it is fabric. It's really interesting, but it comes apart in great sized pieces, so I'm going to put that right on the face of the wreath. So to finish this off, I'm going to take my super quick, super easy, and super simple small wreath and just get it centered right on here. Then I'm going to take a piece of this buffalo plaid ribbon in gray, which couldn't be more perfect. I had this left over from Christmas and I haven't even touched it since. And we're just going to put a few dabs of glue at the top to hold it all together. And I do actually have to make sure that the sawtooth hanger at the back is in the right spot. And then we're gonna pop on this piece of ribbon, glue it at the top, and we're gonna go hang this up. Done, and done. While I get this finished up, why don't you guys tell me what you're watching? Are you doing a new series on Netflix or Amazon Prime or maybe even Disney Plus? Tell me what you and your family are watching. I'm looking for something new. Have the old iPad out there while I was working, and I have been binge watching The Sorry Girls. I cannot believe that nobody, including me, knew about this channel or told me about this channel. They are on the verge of hitting 2 million subscribers. I can't even imagine. If you haven't checked out their channel and you love lots of DIY, you totally should, because I have a feeling I'm going to be talking about it a little bit. I hope you enjoy it. Are you ready for the reveal? Here we go. So first things first, I am madly in love with this. Second, I can't believe I spent so much time painting that tile and then covering most of it up, but we like to do things properly here at Lisa & Company. I really hope you guys love this as much as I do. It is so spring to me. I have this hanging right up at the front door, not outside. I was a little worried that it wouldn't hold up, but it is the first thing you see when you come in the door, and I am nuts about it. You guys, thank you so much for stopping by Lisa & Company, and Izzy and I want to thank you for your amazing support. We hope you've already subscribed, and if you haven't, you'll consider doing so. We are flying towards our next milestone and couldn't do it without you. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.